y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a protective hairstyle in a while, so I'm like, hey, let me just do a really quick video on what I'm doing. So I'm just doing a simple, well, I guess a simple freestyle hairstyle, if you want to say. So right now, as you can see, I parted my hair on the side. I'm just braiding it straight to the back, and later on throughout the video you'll see that I'm going to start parting it in diagonal, different types of ways. So I have the two braids there, and my hair of course is detangled and washed and conditioned, all that fun wash day stuff. So now I'm trying to twist my hair, going across the top two twists, and just try to give it a little definition. If you wonder about the color that I'm putting in my hair, of course, if you follow me, you all know it's hair paint wax. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I won't get too much into it, but if you want to see any reviews on hair paint wax, then you can just search it on my channel. So of course I'm speeding up through this video because I know me as a YouTube watcher, if I see something that I'm watching YouTube video and I'm like, oh, why can't we just fast forward? We already know how to do all that. So yeah, that's why you see a lot of fast forwarding stills in this clip. I just want to say one thing, like, the sun is all in my face, but it's making my skin like so glowy and so fluorescent. I'm like, it's amazing. Like, I like it. I mean, I like my skin color regardless, but just look at that glow, right? Like I've been on vacation in the Caribbean or whatever. Anyway, so I'm slowing it down a little bit just so you can see how I'm twisting it to the scalp. And then of course I'm like, you know how to do that. Okay, so now I'm telling you that I'm going the other way when I do my twist. So you can see that I went the other direction. So I just wanted like a slant going this way and then a slant going straight back. So now that I finished the top, I'm going to do the back. Now the back, I didn't want to put any color to it because when I take my hair down, I wanted to have like that nice ombre look. And you know, I'll post it on my Instagram how it looks when I take it down. It's going to be so cute. So I am just twisting up the top of my hair because I want to put it into like a little tiny bun just to put up in the back. And then I'm going to do the other side as well. And if I stop and I'm looking at the TV, I'm watching The Last Kingdom on Netflix. Like I've always, ever since I was a kid, I've always been into period pieces, whether it was like the Renaissance or the mythology or medieval. I've always been into it, so I'm totally watching all of The Last Kingdom. I wanted to wait until like to see if it was really good, but when I saw that like season 5 was coming out, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. So now I'm pinning that up, and then the back I was gonna do like 3 straight twists going straight up, but then I changed my mind. I was like, nah. So I just split that in half, like down the middle, and then I did 6 braids, 6 single twists instead of just 3. And I'll put in hair accessories as I go because I just love playing in my hair. And I usually wear my ears, my animal ears, but I'm like, since I can't wear my animal ears because I have color in my hair, I'm just gonna put more accessories in there, but not too much. So I'm pinning up the back twist of my hair up into the middle so it can like spread, like overlaps the little bun that you see from the brown bun. And I'm going to do the sides first, and then I'll bring it up in the middle. I like this hairstyle, it's really cute. I was just making it up as I was going along. And I'm twisting the ends. So I'm making it really loose so I can twist the ends and bring it up in the middle. So you can see the definition. Those twists look really nice. And the sun makes it look so shiny. I should have fast forwarded this. I put hairpins in my hair so slow. I'm like so delicate with it. I should have fast forwarded. It's okay. We'll keep it going. So of course, I have a snake accessory in my hair, so it keeps getting tangled in the bottom part of my hair. Necessary uncomfortableness just for the cuteness. Look how cute that is. I mean, look at that. Of course I would put up with it. And then after I do that, I'll show you the whole hairstyle. And I put other accessories in there, like these two in the front, and you'll see the other two same colors that I put in the back. Oh my gosh, I'm so slow with it. Okay, so there's my full hairstyle. I am very satisfied with it. I'm still wearing it. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. So yeah, that's my, I'm showing the other side. Bye.